Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're thinking about ordering a Tesla, you don't want to miss out on free rewards. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use a referral code when placing your order so you can save some money on your new car purchase. Tesla has a referral program that gives both the buyer and the referrer special rewards, like free supercharging miles or credits for Tesla accessories. But the key is you have to use the referral link when ordering or you won't get the bonus. First, you need a referral link. Here is mine at the top right here, and I will also link it in the description. Once you hit enter, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And since I am the one giving a referral, it's going to have my name, and then it's going to say so-and-so gave you up to so-and-so much off of a new Tesla. If you scroll down, you can see the different Teslas you can order with this referral code. And to place your order, you'll just hit order now. As long as you use the referral link, you'll automatically see the referral reward applied at checkout. If you don't see it, you may need to go back and make sure you click the right link before placing your order. The referral rewards are always changing, but right now you can get $2,500 off a Model 3 if you're buying it, $500 off if you're leasing it, $500 off a Model Y, or $1,000 off a Model S, X, and the Cybertruck. And that's it. Ordering a Tesla with a referral code is super easy and definitely worth it for the extra money saved. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more Tesla tips, and if you need a referral link, check the description below.